Check out this 2012 Scion XB Base. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are wheel covers, Bluetooth connection, rear head airbag, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, passenger airbag, integrated turn signal mirrors, and brake assist. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.